Welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about what is the total cost you need to pay from your pocket from the client interview till the time you reach to the cruise ship. So what is the total cost? So if you want to know, please do not skip this video and watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's start this video. Number one is medical. I've already made a video on medical. There is a link in the description box. Please watch it. But the cost, let's take it maximum. In normal scenario, the maximum will go up to 7,500. And guys, you need to apply for a PCC also, which is Police Clearance Certificate, and the cost for it is only 500 rupees. Number two will be your C1D visa fees, and the cost is 13,000 rupees. Guys, it depends. When I gave my C1D visa interview, it was around 12,000, because as the dollars goes up, the price also goes up. Number three is your STCW. So guys, it depends which institute you are doing STCW. Anything between 10,000 to 20,000 you need to pay. We'll take it on average 16,000 rupees. Now number four is your CDC. You need to apply for your CDC also. So the cost for the CDC, if you apply online, is 700 rupees. I've already made a video. You can find this link in the description box. Number five is your yellow fever injection, and the cost is 500 rupees. Number six is little out of the box, is shopping. Because if you're going on a cruise ship, of course you will do shopping for certain things. I've already made a video what things you have to take it with you. I will put the link of this videos in the description box as well. So we'll take it for now 15,000 rupees for shop. So number seven guys, is the flight ticket, the most expensive one. But guys, do not worry. I have seen some company, they pay from their pocket, but there are many companies who says if you are doing the first contract with us, so you need to pay it from your pocket. So it can go up to 1 lakh rupees also, and it can be 13,000-14,000 also. It depends where you are traveling. But we'll take it on an average 65,000 rupees on average, just to be secure. So 65,000 rupees. So this is the total amount you need to pay when you are going on a cruise ship. Well guys, the total comes up to
1,18,600.
Let's add more amount in that. So you never know, maybe you do more shopping, maybe you do less shopping, maybe your flight ticket goes up, maybe your flight ticket goes down. So I will add more 3,000. So 1,20,000 you have to pay anyhow to go on a cruise ship. So you need to at least have 1,20,000 in your pocket if you are dreaming to work on a cruise. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos, and I'll keep making such videos and informing you about a cruise life. For then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.